Good morning! I literally woke up before my alarm today. Don't know why. And yet I'm still almost late for my workout. Was putting on my shoes and I forgot a hair tie. When I work out, I need at least two. So it's one scrunchie, one hair tie. My morning workout is literally 2 minutes away from my apartment, so I made it. But my evening workout today is actually in Koreatown, and I live about 30 minutes away. So that's going to be an adventure because LA has so much traffic. Over there, it says running class. Another hot, sweaty Maya is here. So normally I always come out of a workout feeling like I could have done better or I could have pushed myself harder, but not today. Today, I can say I crushed it. And I think we need to acknowledge more moments where we crush it. So what did you do today where you felt like, yeah, I crushed that? So I ran 3.5 miles. Normally I run about 2.5 miles. An extra mile is a long way. I need a shower. All showered, did not wash my hair because I'm going to another workout later today. Whenever I work out twice in one day, I make sure they are 2 different types of workouts. This morning was cardio, and then at night it'll be more strength related. Tomorrow I'm also doing 2 workouts. I do this for fun, to hang out with people, not because I feel like we need to work out twice in one day, but I'm going to make the most epic smoothie. Let's go! Start off with some ice, some almond milk. That's good. Some frozen berries, some nice organic almond butter, some hemp seeds. About that much will do. Some vanilla vegan protein powder. That's a lot of spinach. All right, let's blend it. Now the goal is to be able to fill it to the top because this is a pretty large cup. Did I make it? Yes. Yes, I did. Oh! So one lovely subscriber told me I should just fill it with water, put some dish soap, and then blend it to clean it. So we're gonna listen. Got this Dawn Power Wash spray. Spray that. Okay, you're gonna wash yourself. It's soapy. I am a fan. So this is normally what I would have for breakfast, and I'll actually eat food for lunch and dinner because this is more like a snack. Okay, it is time to wash the couch. Just gonna spray all of this and vacuum it up with my carpet cleaner. Tomorrow I have a super busy day, so I'm just going to make my meal prep right now so that tomorrow I can just microwave it. For my meal prep, I'm going to make some Kite Hill tortellini. It's non-dairy and plant-based, made with almond milk. Boil some water. In here I have some ground beef, kale, tomatoes, and then a jarred pasta sauce. Nothing crazy. Bubbling, in you go. Ah! There. Yes, I used the same wooden spatula. And then I just pack it into Tupperware for my meal prep. And I can also freeze it too. Packing because I am going on a quick little trip, and I like to roll all of my clothes because you can just fit so much more. But my method is I have a list of all the clothes I plan to bring. I take it out of my closet, put it on the floor, and then I start rolling everything. And then I kind of put the outfits together in my suitcase. For lunch, I got some sushi because I wanted to eat my meal prep tomorrow. This is one of my favorite sushi spots. They box everything. Wow. Ta-da! So delicious. And then 2 little unagis on the side. Yum! If I could eat this every day, I probably would, but that's a lot of mercury. Even comes with a little soy sauce dish. If you don't eat sushi or you don't eat fish in general, then you can also have cucumber rolls, avocado rolls. It is now time for my second workout. I'm wearing my workout clothes under my dress so I can just go in. It is a heated bar class, so it's going to be about 110 degrees in the room that I'm going to be in, so we need some ice. That didn't sound good. I'm also meeting up with one of my friends and I'm gonna give her these BTS masks. So driving to Koreatown at this time, there is a little bit of traffic, but I listen to my Korean Jams playlist to keep me entertained. Sometimes I'll listen to a podcast, but most of the time it's Korean music. Or I also listen to American music occasionally. Under my tunes playlist, you're gonna find a lot of EDM, because that used to be me. A lot of Justin Bieber. Songs I really like are Love You Different, As I Am, Unstable with the Kid Laroi, and then he has a new song with him. Sometimes I think I overthink. It does have the F word in it though, so keep in mind. My Korean Jams playlist, I listen to so many good songs, but normally right when I'm in the car, I'll listen to Permission to Dance, then Butter, and then I go into some of the songs that BTS had at their online concert, which is Moving On, Wishing on a Star, and You Never Walk Alone. And Outro Terre is also a really good song because it's actually when they were thinking about breaking up. Also, I didn't tell you guys, I finished watching an anime, Fruits Basket, and it is literally the best thing I've watched this summer. It is so good. Highly recommend watching Fruits Basket. I watched it on Crunchyroll, but you can also watch it on Hulu, but that one is dubbed. And I watched the Japanese with the subtitles. So good. Okay, let's go. What time is it? 4:40. I ended up getting here in 30 minutes. That's actually not that bad for LA. Okay, time to go. I'm actually quite early, but my friend says she's here. So cute! So cute! Love it, love it. I'm not putting on. Oh man, so hot! I'm a tomato. It's okay. You got me through the class. Woo! Alright, ate dinner, had a great night, just got home at 9:30 and I have to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow and do 2 workouts as well. Good night. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and follow my life of doing a bajillion things in one day. Bye!